What's up, y'all? Today we're thrilled to unveil the Road Glide Limited model, crafted for riders seeking both high performance and ultimate touring comfort. These motorcycles are more powerful, lighter, and brimming with advanced features compared to their predecessors, taking your journey to unprecedented heights. Let's explore the standout innovations that define this next generation. The new Milwaukee 8 VVT 117 engine delivers 7.4% more torque and 14% more horsepower than the twin-cooled Milwaukee 8 114, offering robust performance for every ride. Variable valve timing expands the power band and enhances fuel efficiency, perfect for quick acceleration and steep climbs. With a 21% increase in charging power, 58 peak amps, you can power accessories while keeping the battery healthy. Sporting a bold new look, the wheels feature 10 spokes that branch into 20 at the rim, striking a modern profile. Crafted from cast aluminum, they showcase black inner spokes offset by bright machine-finished edges and rims. These motorcycles introduce an advanced suspension system that enhances both comfort and control, setting a new standard beyond previous models. The rear Showa dual outboard emulsion shocks respond quickly to changing terrain, ensuring a smoother ride while adjustments can be made effortlessly. The front suspension complements the rear, balancing performance and comfort for a seamless riding experience. Aero comfort is a key feature of this model. The fairing lowers, and air deflectors feature integrated vents that optimize airflow, adapting to the rider's preference and conditions. Mid-frame deflectors direct engine heat away, while the 4-inch taller windshield enhances protection from the elements. Now, we all know comfort is critical. The dual-zone heated and redesigned seat with a wider passenger area can help reduce fatigue on long rides, while heated hand grips are perfect for chilly mornings. Additional features like an adjustable hill shifter and highway pegs also make every long journey a perfect one. The new Grand Tour Pack offers storage for 2 full-size helmets, a 12-volt charging port, an LED integrated tail lamp, and premium luggage rack. Rear speaker placement creates more passenger space, and the lumbar pad can be upgraded with a heated pad. Hard shell locking saddlebags with pull-out liners to make overnight travel easy. Every aspect of your ride is enhanced by the advanced technology of the Road Glide Limited. At its center, the Harley-Davidson Skyline OS infotainment system is effortlessly intuitive. The system delivers factory-installed embedded navigation with live traffic updates and hands-free smartphone integration, keeping you connected and informed wherever the road leads. If you're passionate about audio, you'll love the Harley-Davidson Audio, powered by Rockford Fosgate. With 200 watts of power, double the output of the previous Boombox GTS system, you get a richer, more immersive listening experience every time you ride. These motorcycles are equipped with rider safety enhancements, offering confidence in challenging conditions. Whether you encounter a sudden change in weather or unpredictable road surfaces, these advanced technologies help you ride with peace of mind. Road Glide Limited features 4 selectable ride modes: Road, Rain, Sport, and Custom, letting you electronically control the performance characteristics of the motorcycle and tailor the level of technology intervention to match both your preferences and the riding environment. Whether you crave responsive acceleration for a thrilling ride or a more relaxed throttle feel for touring, the system adapts on the fly. This model features advanced full LED lighting for a bold modern look. Signature headlamps, seamless tail lamps, and accent lighting highlight the bike's style and ensure it stands out wherever you ride. If you love tackling twisty roads, this bike's frame-mounted shark nose fairing delivers both distinctive style and enhanced comfort. Since the Road Glide Limited is 13 pounds lighter than the previous generation, the motorcycle is easier to lift off the side stand, balance, and maneuver. The Road Glide Limited is more than just a motorcycle. Experience the exhilaration of the open road, where every journey combines unmatched style, remarkable performance, and comfort design with the rider in mind. Visit your local Harley-Davidson dealership and set out on the ride you've always dreamed of.